She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. So for this blend request, it is coming from Marie Pond. Marie wanted to see what the colors 27 and 51 will look like blended together, so that is what we're doing. And you guys, we are a full week into March Madness. This month I challenged myself to release one blending video every day for the month of March. This was to encourage me to get you guys' blend requests out, because I was receiving tons and tons and tons of blend requests. So I wanted to get these requests out as soon as possible, and I've made it a week straight strong. So far I'm doing so good with this challenge. I still have another 3 weeks to get through until the end of this month, but I think I can do it. I'm really excited for all the blends that will be coming out. And yeah, I'm going to allow you guys to watch the rest of this video. As always, if you like this blend, or if you like this video or this channel, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I'll let you guys continue to watch, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow in my next video. Be blessed, stay safe, and stay filled with love and peace. Bye.